In the quiet of the night, sleep eludes me. Underneath the stars, memories flood my heart. With every whisper of the wind, your name calls. In this tranquil darkness, love's eternal flame enthralls. Daily trials, not the path we've trod, yet your gentle words keep my soul alive. In stormy rain, I seek your soothing voice. In the comfort of your presence, my heart finds rejoice. I'm engulfed in your essence, in your being. In the shadow of your dreams, I find solace. Without your love, my world's a barren land. Without reaching you, shadows cast their hand. Devoid of your love, my world's bereft. Without you by my side, my joy is left. Your love fortifies my very soul. Your tenderness, my heart's console. Your smile, my melody. Your touch, my cure.